Building healthy garden soil is the secret to having strong, happy plants. Instead of using chemical fertilizers, we can make the soil rich and full of life by using simple ingredients from our kitchen and organic sources. This natural method makes plants grow better and also helps us make good use of food scraps that would otherwise go to waste. Simple, effective, and good for nature. What more do we need? The first step is to collect fruit peels from the kitchen, like banana peels, orange peels, and even apple peels, and then cut them into small pieces. Fruit peels are full of important nutrients like potassium and phosphorus, which help plants grow strong roots and lush green leaves. They also help improve the soil, making it soft and full of good microbes that help plants take in water and nutrients more easily. Using fruit peels is like giving our plants a healthy homemade tonic. Now, take a container or a big bowl and start layering our natural ingredients. First, add a nice layer of worm castings at the bottom. Worm castings are pure gold for plants. They are rich in nutrients and have many tiny microbes that help plants grow faster and healthier. After that, spread a layer of chopped fruit peels. These will slowly break down and release nutrients into the soil. Finally, add another layer of worm castings on top to make sure everything is well covered. This method ensures that all the goodness is evenly mixed. Once the layering is done, mix everything thoroughly. We need to make sure that all the ingredients blend together nicely. Now, sprinkle some fish meal powder over the mixture and mix it again. Fish meal powder is excellent because it gives plants a high dose of nitrogen, which helps them grow strong stems and healthy green leaves. Just a little bit of this powder is enough to boost plant growth in a natural way. Now, we need to prepare our garden bed or planting container. This makes space for our special mixture to go in. Take the prepared mixture of fruit peels, worm castings, and fish meal and spread it evenly over the garden bed or container. After this, cover the mixture with the same soil that we had removed earlier. This helps in keeping all the nutrients locked in and also protects the mixture from drying out or getting washed away. Worm castings are like nature's best fertilizer. They help improve soil quality by adding beneficial microbes that break down organic matter and make nutrients available for plants. They also help retain moisture in the soil, which means we don't have to water our plants too often. Plus, they keep the soil soft and airy, making it easier for roots to grow deep and strong. Now, the garden bed or container is fully ready for planting. We can directly plant seeds or put in small seedlings. The mixture will slowly release nutrients into the soil, giving plants everything they need to grow healthy and strong. Over time, the organic matter will continue to break down, making the soil even richer and more fertile. It's like feeding the soil so that it can take care of our plants. This natural way of improving soil is not only great for plants, but also helps in reducing kitchen waste. Instead of throwing away fruit peels, we can turn them into a powerful fertilizer for our garden. It is a simple, cost-effective, and natural method to grow healthy plants without using any harmful chemicals. With just a little effort, we can build rich and nutritious soil that will keep our garden happy for a long time.